Итак, вітаю вас. Спадзяюся, што трансляцыя ўжо пайшла. Адзінае толькі я пакуль не бачу, ці ёсць яна. Бачу, пакуль не бачу. Добра, все маецца. Вітаю вас на чарговым стрыме па Nobody Wants to Die. Адзінае толькі зараз падрэдактую чуллівасць мікрафону і гэтак далей. Так, гатова. Я гатова, спадзяюся, вы таксама гатовыя. А таму мы працягваем. Сёння ў нас другая частка. Калі памятаеце, тыдзень таму у нас была першая частка, дзе мы пачалі гэтую гісторыю, і мы спыніліся на тым моманце, калі наш персанаж ён адчуў сабе даволі блага, і нам патрэбна неяк хуценька дабрацца да нашага месца жыхарства, то бок да нашай кватэры, бо мы зноўку сядзелі на неонавай вывесцы. Паглядзім, як тут работаюць аўтасейвы і што гэта нам дасць. Памятаю гэты маналог.
It was a nice contrast with all these conversations that leave me hungover even when I don't drink.
Персонаж даволі спрэчны. Мне не падабаецца, што ён паліць, што ён курыць, што ён... Ну то пайшлі, чаго нам тут. Нават пабеглі. Што там за чалавек стаіць?
Not good.
Дзе нашыя пігулкі?
Welcome, Colin. James, Kara, I recommend immediate decontamination. The level of contamination of the shell is alarmingly above all norms.
А што гэта за забруджванне?
I know.
Так,
The
гэта ў нас
synchronization test will take
кухня.
place soon. Please do not leave the apartment for the next 24 hours.
А дзе наша гэта ванны пакой? Тут?
Where are the fucking drugs?
Дык нам памыцца трэба было, ці пігулкі гэтыя прыняць? Я так разумею, нічога, ні першае, ні другое. Бо гэта проста кат-сцэна.
Don't you already know who the murderer is?
How did I...
Hey, doesn't the hero die at the end?
Не звяртаць увагі.
James? Doesn't he die at the end?
Кавалі раптам не забыліся, хто гэта? Гэта наша памерлая жонка.
I tried to, you know.
If I don't get up from this couch and grab my drugs, I'll die. Drugs should be in the kitchen. Or the restroom. Maybe upstairs.
Нормалёва, ты нават не памятаеш. Дзе твои таблеткі? Гэта не тое, правда?
Damn, empty. I think I had an...
I won't get rid of this hologram unless you take me there.
А да якой голограмы яна? А дзе наш спальны пакой? Дзе-то наверсе быў? Чакай 20 секунд. Гэта сапраўды распрацоўшчыкі вылічылі, што так будзе добра зрабіць. Ты пачакаць, гэта 15 секунд ужо. Ну, 3, 2, давай.
You look terrible lately. Try to smile a little. Just a little bit.
Нам сюди ці куди? Де ті таблетки вугля можуть бути? 8.
There's nothing in this one either. Well, that leaves the bedroom.
Так, нормальово, нормальово. Так, а пригадайте, як піднятися ось ліс, в ці сходи. Обдаманки. И таблетки уже. Это выглядало, ніби він собі на очах это розпалив.
Shocking! Outrageous! No wonder
Всё?
people are pissed. I'm pissed. The law makes us slaves of the system.
Я надіюся, навіть худший за уколи.
Police tell us to stay at home. Good luck with that. The city is on fire.
Attention! The sync test is ready. Immediately approach the Hestia module.
Так, поважаю господар Кара. Віншую вас. Так, это мы читали. Гэта мы читали. Гэта все мы глядзелі. І гэта я глядзеў, і гэта я глядзеў. Нічога нового, так? Пятна раше. Пробачте, плями раше. Ось так правильно буде.
Logged. James, Kara, welcome back. I'm starting the synchro test. Please take a deep breath and imagine a safe space. Feel the ground under your feet. Excellent. Very literally, but perfect. Please select a seat.
На бейсбольном поле.
Our own death is a difficult experience that we naturally repress from consciousness. In order to enable smooth functioning in the new body, we need to remember the last moments of our lives and
Together face the trauma of the last death. Yes, I know. I'm sorry.
Там дірка у вас.
before we get to the point, please recall the first death.
It was just an injury.
Лучить так,
Just
ніби
changed my body.
катування
Shell
ніяке.
went to the Hall of Fame. It looks pretty good there.
Please start calibration process.
Треба устати. Я тільки сів. Куди вже устати? Давай, давай, давай. Можна ніяку підказку, що мені тут треба робити? Бачу криницю світла. Дренно зроблено, до речі.
Calibration successful. Thank you. Let's go
Пляшка.
to the memories. It's time to confront them. Proceed to the next stage.
Який це наступний етап?
The key to synchronization is the ability to put the past into perspective. Please,
Wow.
you are at the peak of your abilities and career. Have you thought about buying a Synchro Plus program?
Thanks. I can't afford it.
No worries. Common tests work just as well. Please, continue.
Давай, бери. Бери его сено. Что, с канапы упал?
Body, a new chapter in life?
I had no choice. I didn't synchronize with the new shell like I did with my original.
Excellent. You found a new purpose in life.
А на що мені это так треба
Finding
робити?
yourself in a new reality is a huge challenge.
Turns out I have a knack for this job.
Do you miss your job?
You don't even realize.
Let's move on to the last death event. It
Ой,
seems
як
that
це
the
затягнуто, вам
complexity
не
of the trauma
подається?
will not allow us to continue.
I can handle it.
Synchronization is a process, not an act. Try to isolate minor events using all your senses, or stop and extend the recovery period.
No. I'll remember. I'll get it from my memory. Some shine, grease, burn, and...
Excellent.
Seriously? I had a chance to hit,
О,
but my gun jammed.
гарматка наша
Day
малая.
before.
Who did you want to hit?
All I remember is we were on a mission. Me and Seth.
Ще далі. Куди тут ще далі пісти? Ні. А куди стать? Так. Тут оволі, не тоєм. Давай хоче. Дякую Богу, що він хоч бігає тут. А то було б зовсім сумно. Так, деталі тут скручуються, тут. Зрозуміло, треба ніяк піднятися ось тут. Куди? Что за керование в этом хлопце?
Powerful explosion.
Что там? Там с
I
машиной?
think it derailed the train. My ears were ringing and... Fuck.
Я ж не перепрыгнул, я пробовали прыгать не надо.
What about
тут не
Seth
прости.
and the one you were chasing? Can you focus on them?
I'll try. So many bodies.
Череп.
I had to get him. Dispense justice. Bastard kept eluding me.
Где ты хоть сбираться уже будешь? Так. Поднимаемся. Наверх. Нарешті.
I knew he got hit hard. But this...
James, do you blame yourself for what happened to him?
We got a lousy job. He knew the risks. But I was his partner. He relied on me.
Все, можно вниз идти.
Unstable simulation. We'd better stop for today, all right?
Now? When do I get a chance to pass the damn test? I won't let this go. I can't. I'll finish it, and I'll be back where I belong.
Attention. Dynamic element detected.
Так.
James, it's dangerous. It could be projection, not recollection.
What projections? This is my fucking window.
Ух ты. Что за магия? Ну, давай, давай. Это ж яна, правда? Што, ягоная жонка яшчэ самагубства зрабіла? Ох, ужо заблытная гісторыя гэтая. А нармалёвага няма жыцця ў вас? Толькі
Your mental
такое?
state is very strained and you need time to recuperate.
How long until I'm back to work?
From 9 to 12 months. Estimates may change.
Fuck!
Псих. Ты ж только что таблетки пил. Не допомогли?
Sarah, I fucked up. I don't know how to say this, but I think I'm admitting guilt.
What happened? Is everything all right? What have you done?
I can't do anything. I've no chance to go back.
James,
No. I'll finish the case. I won't leave it like this, but I won't drag you down with me. I'm sorry for earlier. I'll cover all traces. I can't drag everyone down all the time. You didn't deserve it.
whew. Wow, that's very kind of you.
Excuse me?
You're such a drama queen sometimes. What did you think? I'd leave it like that? I'll leave you with it? I have a few leads to discuss.
Really?
You think you're the only person in this town who wants to know what's going on?
Let's get busy then.
А прорваться тут можна ці ні? Погляди на бардак, що гэта такое? Як ти тут живеш? Свині так не живуть, розумієш? Ой, боже. Треба диваном зайнятися зараз ось. Тебе бардак на кухні.
Where do we start?
Since the Zeppelin crashing into the building right after Green's death is more than just a lucky break.
Lucky?
For us. Definitely not for them. You know exactly what I mean. Let's start with the connection between the Green case and the Icarus shooting.
Окей. Так, что связывает справу Грина со страляниной на Икары? Давай. Не.
So the watch with a photo wasn't evidence of a friendly quarrel between Kovalev and Green?
They were obviously very close.
Падобнае на тое, што праца магчыма уключала забойства важных гульцоў. Навошта Кавалёў падпісаўся на гэтае, з-за чаго можа ўсё страціць. Дзе там гэты агент? Нет, гэта не агент. Ось тут, не тут. Та ёлы-палы, бляха. Миллер. Давайте поспробуем Миллера, не? Не Миллер. Я уже не памятаю, кто там был насамрэч. Придется гадать. Агент Динне. Акты по телах. Трэвіс. Ну, няхай будзе Трэвіс. Не Трэвіс. Блять, ты будешь туды, куды мне трэба, не? Не будзе. Шарф. Не шарф. Справаздача яшчэ нейкая ёсць. Справаздача падайшла. Яшчэ адно падабенства паміж Кавалёвым і Грынам. Няўжо Кавалёва спасцігла той самы лёс. Так.
Was the toxicology of the rest clean?
Well, I wouldn't say
Сюди?
that, but it was normal for this social
ти?
class.
Сюди. Так. Що тут по Грину мається? Нічого.
Sarah, do you have access to the CTC registers?
Just checked. Kovalev Zekarite never made it there, which means that this is another.
This is another final death. They both left this world, and they left behind quite a mess.
Do you think they managed to carry out the plan from Green's letter?
All we know is they gave their lives for it.
Could anyone here know Green and Kovalev were up to something?
Damned good question. Let's check.
Ці ведаў хто-небудзь, што Грын і Кавалёў нешта задумвалі. Палітык.
On one hand, he was just a
Yep.
pawn.
You mixing game metaphors?
Hey, people say that.
Never mind. You're right. Burn to a crisp.
Was that laughter?
No. Chief's errand boy.
I wonder how big his stable was. As the chief's trusted man, he must have known about Green's death.
Just what was he looking for here?
Так. Ён зайшоў туды выпіць. Он і паліцэйскі. А значыцца, он знаў о смерці Грыну. Што ён тут рабіў? Мне падаецца, лепей тут гуляць без геймпаду. Ён толькі перашкаджае трошки. Так, што рабіў хлопец Грыну? Ой, боже. Якое ж гэта
Sarah,
марудзіна.
this guy also built Green's building, right?
Built it? I mean, he added more floors to it. I don't think anyone builds buildings from scratch.
They still did that in my day. Let's follow this.
Так, далей куди? Ще раз. Зустрівся з Тревісом. Зараз я виключу геймпад, почекайте секунду, літерально. Бо він тільки перешкоджає зараз. Так. Ну що таке? Багатим збудовником. Так, шарф, деймер.
James.
Just wondering.
Да нічого не діється.
Not bad.
Seriously?
Ой. Unlucky.
Holy shit. So Dean was buying the blueprints for Green's apartment from Colette. And Colette didn't know about Green's death. And that order not to board Icarus. You think Dean was following the chief's orders?
Чому
Sorry
ні?
to say, but it looks like our old bastard is deep in someone's pocket.
But what did he really want? What did he need the plans for?
Your questions keep getting better. We missed something at Green's. Something damn important.
As long as everyone's focused on the riot now, the apartment should be empty.
Great. Let's finish what we started.
Diagnostics complete. Repair cost and fine $938.
Ah, fuck you. And don't wait for me with dinner. I'll be late.
А ми навіть не виходимо нікуди.
After our little nightly talk, I knew I wasn't alone in all this. Sarah may have been only a voice in my earpiece, but it was a voice of integrity and reason, which was what I needed at times, and which could be switched off at other times, and unlike other such voices, without grabbing a bottle.
Вельми змістовне повідомлення зараз було.
James, should Should I send you a sleeping bag? Get a move on. Turn on the camera.
Алло,
Stand
пусти.
back. The Fed secured the entrance.
Could you?
I'm on it.
You get excited when you do something illegal.
I'm in rehab, so don't tempt me.
I'd like to see your file.
I erased it. Good luck with that.
I have my ways.
Ready.
Цікаво, як готовий їх так просто все. Ми знову на тому самому місці.
Begins.
You watch too many movies. So what are we looking for?
A red X.
Okay. Any ideas?
Нормальовий жартик. Як знайти той самі місце? А на мапу можна поглядіти? ВФ, рука. Что это такое? Не, ну гэта типу цела. Зразумела, што гэта не абы што. Я гэта чытаў усё. Падаецца мне. Так. Ой, бляха, ні
You noticed
чорта не
any
бачно.
difference since your last visit?
I tolerate you. Keep searching.
А, памятаеце, мы з вами у мінулы раз хадзілі, там былі два пакоі такія прыхаваныя, больш-менш. Ось ён першы. І там на другім канцы дому з правага боку. Там будзе яшчэ адзін пакой. Тут мы нюхалі гэты шакалад. Так, гэта мы бачылі. Тут нічога новага. Тут таксама.
Let's keep it simple.
Going from corner to corner isn't simple.
I don't know. I'm looking.
Автосократес. Где ж тут тое, што мы шукаем, а?
A real man of the people. At least that's what he wants you to see.
Right. Total bullshit. I've never understood this stuff.
Yet it doesn't surprise me in the least that Green was into it.
БДСМ? Ці што гэта? Непадобнае. Што гэта яны закрылі ўжо?
That's not what the map wants to tell me.
Дзе гэты крыж? Хто мне можа яго падказаць? Так, так, так. Сейф. Адчынены сейф. Вот так вот.
The fucking safe? Did they just clean it out?
Are you sure it's this safe?
See something else?
Nothing. Empty. Just like my account. Get out.
Can you check what they took?
You know, it's not like I didn't break the law this week, so I'll see.
Wait,
James,
it's not about the safe.
you just said the complete opposite.
I changed my mind.
They took everything out. What do you want us to do? X-ray it?
Great idea.
Why am I saying anything?
Чому одразу гэтак не зрабіць?
lead somewhere.
Probably to the washing machine.
Over. There's some interference. Can you repeat?
Hello?
Yes?
Storm's coming. The electronics are freaking out.
Where do they lead?
What? What? To the electricity. Never mind.
Why such a large generator for such a small safe?
This isn't a generator.
А што гэта дадаш? Ці я сам буду згадваць?
You sound like an expert.
I was helping my cousin repair pneumatics.
The wall is a meter from the safe.
This box could lift several tons.
Maybe it's pumping gel into the roots. Although, it doesn't look connected. What next?
We have a card.
Яка у нас картка мається? А,
Bingo! The first Rich Dude secret wall safe of my career.
You should be a thief.
I'm building my resume.
Nice to see you develop.
Hey, fuck you. This is my idea. Don't push it.
алкаш знову закидується.
James, what is happening?
Sarah? Oh, fuck.
Ну, добре. Менш голосов, більше
So we're in
упевненості.
a private dungeon. And perhaps it holds his stamp collection. Another victim. Just more questions. Brian Theodore Coven. What are you doing here? If it wasn't for his donations, orphanages in the city would disappear.
А штосьці мені не дає увогуле нічого зробити. Ей, увольняю. Зрозуміло.
Formal dress. A meeting? With the murderer? With Green? Let's check where you came from, Coven.
Металлист. Поехали куда? Вниз?
What?
Зламалося нечто? Що? Стрик. Що, обрив зараз буде?
Making a mess. Get your act together.
Don't you already know who the murderer is?
James?
I tried to, you know.
Are you there?
Где там? Я тут. Все, отлежался. Пошли далее. Понатискаем на левую клавишу мыши.
James, I thought you had joined the noble ranks of the dead.
How do you... Who... Where are you?
Why don't we start with where you are? What is this place?
What happened here?
Well, I have bad news. You're late for the party.
Так это зрозуміло, що там не ікари, що тут я вже.
Crushed by a chandelier. Fancy way to go.
Perfect for the upper class.
The governor. Sans pants.
Ніщо собі.
Guest list. Chris Everson. Even my idiot neighbor has a bumper sticker. Wonder what he thinks about him in the law now.
А гэта хто?
Anna Turner used to be a sports writer. We had some interesting interviews when my team was winning. Then she got into politics and became editor of the whole paper. You had your last deadline.
Так, Ника, бутылька, одна, другая, третья. Что там такое было?
He was standing under it. I'll pick him up and find out who it is. Maybe I can lift the chandelier.
Реконструкция. Знайомый геймплей. Так, а тут что?
Fire upstairs must have damaged the wires. Okay. Why did he fall? And where's the killer? Shot. Needs a closer look. The Emperor screens. Make that god. There's no movie studio that doesn't kiss his ring. Or maybe a little lower.
He influences more people than you think.
What is this? Everybody lies.
They learn to live a lie.
Adam Cadis. Why am I not surprised to see you? Debauchery is your specialty.
Некая табелька.
Chris Everson. He'd sell his own mother for votes.
There was a scandal that he used his mother's illness in the campaign.
What did you do to deserve
Что это?
your
А,
life?
маск.
Or maybe you actually wore it every day. Okay, what happened here? Where's the damn killer? How did they die?
Losing your nerve?
Never mind. He was standing here before the chandelier fell on his head.
Я толькі зараз зразумеў, што спачатку у нас была Сара ў галаве, а зараз гэта незнаёмец нейкі. То бок інакш нас не адпускаюць аднаго. Каб, не дай Бог, мы засталіся самі з сваёй галавой тут. То, вітаночкі табе. Гэта ўсё мы глядзелі.
Who brings a gun to a fancy party?
Fucking lack
Некий
of
реликт.
culture.
А ён ведаў, што яго ствол нероўны.
8mm. Were you sitting here with a loaded gun?
Think twice before inviting a paranoia case.
A shootout started. You probably didn't consider that. Shoot that fucking thing down on your own head.
Are you sure?
He shot the killer. Was that... How are you feeling?
Better every minute.
Використовуємо рентген.
He aimed toward the piano.
Піу. Гэта рояль, а не піано. Калі што. Короче, треба ісці туди. А тут що?
Blagojevich, journalistic scum.
Ого, некая шильда. Чого не пускаєш? Треба навколо ісці.
This company. I'm asking the questions this time. Sorry it's too late.
О, ще некто.
Weird. The trail ends here. Lots of glass under your feet and nothing around. The killer had plenty of time to cover all traces. Like you got hit by a truck.
Давай поглядим.
Why so much glass?
Вітаю, Аніта,
Any
вітаю.
complaints?
Nobody wants to die, ось написано ж у тайтлі.
Blood. Every piece brings me closer to you.
Як помер Благоєвич? Давайте выясним, як помер этот человек.
He could have believed it all.
What if he hated himself and helped create a world where everyone hated each other?
Треба подняться. Божик, вітаю тебе, шановний.
As if he flew over the barrier? It's not everything.
В сенсі.
Gotta be more. Blagojevich. What do they have to pay him to take all the public's hate? So that was his spot. Government critic sitting with a propagandist. Yeah, burn it all down. Government critic sitting with a
Так, розглядали ваш
propagandist.
запрос, вирішили
Burn it all
запросить
down.
вас у клуб, дату і час. Ми вам донесем праз кур'єра, калі ви вирішыце быць у іншай абалонкі, калі ласка, возьміце з сабою гэта паведамленне.
Maybe he ran?
З нецярплівасцю
Where was the
чакаем.
killer?
Так, реконструкція.
Shit. Not enough data. I still don't know what this asshole was doing. Did you run away? Why in
Що
this
за дике він
direction?
пролетів?
Doesn't make
Якою?
sense.
Кара, ты что, не бачиш, што ён ляціць? Ён не пайшоў і не пабег куды-небудзь. А яшчэ яму патыліцу далі. Моцна. З бутылкай бег.
Looks too rich for my blood.
Ну што? Я яшчэ недастаткова пакруціў, ці што? О,
A broken bottle? Did you chase the guy with it? I can respect that. Where were you sitting? Maybe the glass shards will show me.
боже ж мой, такія гукі. Ну, то ж реконструкція нападу. Трошки назад. А дзе ўжо аскепкі гэтага шкла? Тут недзе. А, вось яны.
Bingo. So you were sitting here.
Реконструкція.
You attacked, even though bullets were flying everywhere. What made you do that?
Що ти верзеш? Вось і гэты сядзіць сабе спакойна, і гэты сядзіць. Ніякія кулі тут не лятаюць. Ой, нешта я губляю ўжо на расійскай мове. Ну, таму што інакш будзе на ангельскай, а так можна нейкія такія дробязі згубіць. Реконструюем.
Fucking wiring.
Так, амаль што поўная карціна ўжо склалася. Апроч гэтых двух цел. Так. Гэты падымаецца за стволом. Гэта ўжо уцякае. Таму што адтуль павінны былі ўжо страляць па іх.
You've had your chance. No need to run across the middle of it all.
Well, better to do something than nothing at all in a situation like that. Although, as you can see, this is no guarantee of success.
Бяжым уперад, тут ён праляцеў, некуды знік.
Done running. He fell limply. Maybe he died in flight.
Яму ў патыліцу гэты страляў. Ці гэта выхадное? Як яе адтуліна?
Yet something or someone stopped him.
Так, рентгенуем. Так, куля. Нам трэба туды зноўку, вакол гэтага плоту незнаёмага. Давай, давай. Сюды. О! Сядзіць.
He shot at Blagojevich. Low. Maybe Blagojevich saw Cadis and liked both their odds better. Did you feel a cold sweat on your back?
It would take more than that.
Right. You were lucky with that chandelier shot anyway. What? Did you do this?
Someone's being paranoid here. It's just fucking wiring.
Which gets in the way of my work. Need
Для
more
цябе
light.
ангельская мова зусім не праблема, ну але для гледачоў магчыма. Я ж не смагу вось так вось хутка перакладаць усё.
Don't know. I was delirious.
У палёце, так бы мовіць.
A lot of shrapnel. Where did it come from? Oh,
See? You dressed inappropriately. It was a theme party.
so she was over here.
Тебе фонарик ёсць.
Fuck it. I better start
Ключи.
from the beginning.
Я не могу свет включить, разумеете?
Me of something. I saw one just like it in the safe.
Мы только что такое пили.
Degenerates can afford to endure prohibition
Ну як
with
только что,
dignity.
пару годин тому.
Senator? Here?
Everyone pays for success. Few can really.
High voltage. Must be powering something big. Let's see what happens when we connect this contraption.
Вау, вот гэтая была поломка невероятных памераў.
Couldn't they just keep us skeletons in the regular closet like the rest of us?
Секас. Што гэта бутэлька? Глядзелі мы на гэтую бутэльку, ўжо бачылі. О. Яшчэ одно цела.
I know where the damn glass came from. I thought nothing could surprise me today.
Ще одна маска.
Are these the ones I saw in holograms? Let's start with the photos. Pretty much everyone here knows each other.
А чекай. Ну, жахи такие, гульня жахливая. Не жахливая, тут ніяких жахов нема. Пустий магазин.
Yeah, 9mm. And empty. You were shooting blindly at Cadis.
Гэта просто типу детектыў. Адзінае, што мне не падабаецца, тут сябе водзяць за ручку, за руку, нібыта немаўля нейкая.
The wound looks burnt. Someone was shooting at close range. Senator Patricia Terrence. Oh, this is rich. They've been trying to make her out to be a terrorist for decades because she wanted to change the world. It turns out that they're all on one payroll.
Яшчэ нешта павінна быць.
Blood trail. And anything else? It's time for pictures of your friend. you. They slaughtered him and bled him for fun.
У свете, где ты можешь себе
It's impossible.
просто взять любое тело, это не проблема, не подается.
Are you sure?
How did it all start? Was she the one who murdered him? Let's start with who the hell that guy is.
You know that by solving this case, you're helping cover it up.
Aren't you tired of these games? What's your point?
I want to help you.
Sure, because you're such a noble guy, right?
On Icarus, you couldn't do the right thing. Let me show you whose side you picked.
Я ще не вибирав ніякий бок, так що не ной мне тут. Давай.
Drake Starr. I thought he was using a different body. The actor and the senator's husband. They've always been inseparable. He looks like a victim, but I wouldn't go all in on that.
There can be ecstasy in death.
It's, an expensive fetish.
А иные что, бедные?
.9mm, same assailant. Looks like the victim bled out before he got shot. Maybe the killer lost his shit. Lots of moving targets. He had to be in a rush. He could have left additional bullet marks. That kind of trail could help me figure out where he was firing from.
Скуль стрелял забойца.
It went straight through. Another casualty of your sick shit.
Imitation made from eco marble.
I admire all forms of art, especially when it helps to establish a shooting position. Who are you?
Aspiring liaison. How am I doing? Am I as good as that Sarah of yours?
Это уже другая сцена. Ну и...
Suddenly a shooter appears and takes out our star. Looks like he almost bled out before you shot him.
Are you suggesting there was more than one killer?
Unlike the rest, this one was murdered voluntarily. However fucked up that sounds. Different blood types.
Presumably, the senator had a pleasurable time with Drake.
Before you got her, she was bleeding like hell. The senator used them as a shield. She gets hit and plays dead. Smart move. Was she trying to escape?
Что отсюда можно знести, алло? Так, там была іншая сцена, а тут что?
Ritual toy. Sharp. Senator must have held it. Drake's blood. And maybe yours too.
Oh, don't worry. I'm fine.
She was always ready to fight. That's why people believed in her. Was she waiting for her moment? Drake had type O negative blood. This is a different type. She surprised you? Ton of lead. And burned skin. They had to struggle, but he had the upper hand. A 9mm beats a piece of steel. She crawled away. Didn't you notice? Something else get your attention? She almost gets you.
I guess you're on her side.
I can tell you that if she got you, she'd have my vote. Broken ribs. You crushed her when you fell on her, and she still didn't give up.
You underestimate me.
At least I understand the low position you shot Blagojevich from. And remember, Kate is shot in this direction. Good to know that not everything goes your way.
It's going great. Trust me.
So you scurried away
О,
like a
Боже.
cockroach.
Што за ніндзя гэты чалавек? Як ён адсюль трапіў у шыю вось таму чалавеку? Што за тупасць? Куды мы тут трапілі яшчэ? Гэта іншая сцэна, гэта я ўжо памятаю. Што шукаем? Ой, ну что такое?
A bullet from a revolver. Probably Cadis's. I wonder how that got here. They almost got you. You had to find a way. And you did. Real fancy.
Где ты далей?
We're lucky as fuck.
Don't underestimate me.
I wouldn't dare. How long have you been planning to kill that chandelier? Lucky. But respect where it's due. Also a really good shot.
Я, конечно, пробачте.
But I'd like to see your face after
Гульня
that.
типу серйозна,
Real
по факту
face.
нейке
Covered in
дівоцтво.
blood and drool,
Дитяче.
twisted in fear.
Think it was any different than yours when you came in here?
You're always watching me, aren't you? Monitoring? You watching me with cameras? The holograms. Somehow they were recorded. These holograms must be stored somewhere. There must be some tapes here. Where?
Дзе? Дзе ж гэтая пляха плёнкі? Карацей запісы. Канешне, мы па кабелях пойдзем, будем шукаць. Тут яно скончылася. Добра. Шукаем далей.
Another. This must be a dead end.
Ну, яшчэ з'явіліся правады. А зараз вам трэба абысці гэтую кровать. Каб нічога не было. Ложак павінен быць абысцены. Халера, бляха. А ВРВ дзе сёння, ведаеш? Ён сёння уладкаваўся на новую працу. І яго сёння першы дзень на новай працы.
Fuck. Not now. So close.
Таблетки з собою треба носити, а не скардзіцца. Что это такое? Что за землетрус? О, это целая платформа. А, она поехала вниз.
Pocket Hades, a frozen hell where people pay the price for the gods' eternal hangover.
Давай сюди. Нема чого там шукати. Тут ціле. А, глядиш ти.
The youngest bodies possible. No certificates.
Його своє. Гэтае було. Нейкий склад гэтых тіло.
Icarite transmitter.
You want to try it out?
Fuck you. I'm not like them.
А гэта ж там. А, тут передаюць, зразумеў, розум у новае цело. Што далей?
I recognize this body. It should belong to an actor with his throat slit.
Ту-ту-ту-ту-ту.
Icarite in this one? Age 21. There's some unknown kid.
The former owner of the stabbed body.
They're all at the first subscription age. If they didn't pay it, they could lose their bodies. But Icarites... Why isn't anyone looking for them?
Orphanages. That's why Green and Coven funded them so generously. Only until they turned 21, of course.
Motherfuckers.
Жудость, жудость. Что это?
We go back to the beginning.
Пальчатка?
Edward Green. What did you have on him?
Look around. Do you really think anyone would...
Green was probably using the recordings for blackmail.
No matter how much evil was around, Green would still grab them by the balls.
Better focus on you. You have your 5 fucking minutes of fame.
I warn you that I may disappoint you.
Wait, what? This is Green. Senator. Attacking his back. He's the one killing them. It doesn't make sense.
Makes perfect sense to me.
Did you force him to do it? How the fuck did you do that? What did you have on him?
That's your job. I don't want to get overly involved. I'm not your cheap little slum secretary, Sarah Kai.
What? How the fuck did you get her full name?
Did you think you're the only one I spend time with?
Sarah? You there? Fuck. I've restored the power. That should work. If you do anything to her, I'll find you and take you apart piece by piece.
Don't keep me waiting.
Ой. Занадто здетонілий сюжет.
I'm just wondering. Since you saw what Green's guests were capable of, will you trap their souls in rotting bodies?
Fuck you.
Or will you let them return to Olympus like nothing happened?
What did you do to her? This much gel could blow up the Senate.
You can punish them.
I will find you.
Do you think anyone will find them here?
If I shut them in here,
Yes.
and the victims,
Maybe they want revenge.
what kind of sick game is this?
Or leave the door open. Your friends will find everything, and it'll blow over in a week.
The silence in my earpiece was even more overwhelming than my own stupidity. When I was gallivanting in hell, the murderer emerged from there to get Sarah.
Скуль така впевненість.
How could I let myself be tricked like this? Revolves around you, idiot. Says that they're fucking with you. Remember that already. More or less where she lived, not how she lived. I would say below poverty line. If not for the fact that I've crossed the poverty line 100 levels up. Somehow I have to find her. Not even have a bar here. Focus, James. Sarah needs electricity. And lots of it. These converters look new. Let's see. These cables come out of the converter. Sarah, where are you? Even from here, you can smell the deadly stench of the slums. How can you live here? It doesn't seem connected to the net. Damn it. Electric current powers up the antenna. Must be operational. Sarah needs to communicate somehow. I need to get a closer look.
Need to get closer look. Да.
Lady Liberty, down in the dirt. At least she stayed right here with her people. No one else did. What if the cable draws the most of it?
Як зручно. Дві сходи, там і воно подимається.
It has to be here. I hope I'm not too
Что?
late. Sarah?
О, нормальово так зайшов з ноги.
The murderer wanted to pull me into a maze, get me drunk with fear. But I had nothing to lose. And it
Караті. To take long story short, як кажуть.
What is this place?
Ось написано, иди отсюль. Ось такое место доброе. Ветливое. Все. Да что ты кажешь? Включи светло хотя бы. Что это? Руки манекенские. Манекены, манекены. Так, что тут написано? Leave. Покинь, покинь. То сиди, то покинь. То еще что-нибудь подобное. А я кино включилось. С кулины видит, что я тут. На камере стоять. А, прикольно, прикольно. По датчиках руку. Это манекен. О.
Police! Don't shoot! Put the gun down, now!
Right. Then we live happily ever after.
Что?
How did you find her?
Drop the gun.
and I'll let you live.
Это одна и та же особа.
Where is she? Talk!
Drop your weapon and get out. I'm counting to 3. 1.
I'm going through whoever and whatever it takes to save Sarah.
What? James, is that you?
Oh, shit. Sarah?
How about letting me know you're dropping by next time?
Sure thing.
It's just a scratch. You can't hit anything in this body.
Well, lucky us.
Классно у тебя життя.
Sunken face,
Тётка.
bloodshot eyes like a junkie. James, you know how strung out you look?
Me? You looked in the mirror lately?
How'd you find me?
You know I'm a detective, right?
I didn't think anyone would bother trying to find me. Ow, 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 ow. Stay still. Why did you come here?
When we lost contact, I thought he got you.
So that's why you busted in here like a psycho on a hunch?
A little more than a hunch.
Meaning?
I have some questions too.
И он же погрожал. Можешь сказать просто, что он погрожал, я за тебя
The comfortable and
хвалявался.
efficient one. What the hell have you gotten yourself into?
От повести не хочешь?
And you're smoking too. Someone's fallen into bad company.
This body must have been through half a century of addiction. It'll drop dead before I get used to it.
You're in your 30s, right?
29.
My bad.
My family thinks I'm away. I got the best synthesizer, remote work equipment. I didn't have to explain myself to anyone. And then fucking James Kara had to waltz in here and ruin everything.
I'm good at that. So what have you gotten yourself into?
It's a long story and complicated.
Good thing I'm a professional at complicated stories. Talk.
I didn't want to, but I had no choice. I did something sketchy, but otherwise...
Just spill it already.
Fine.
О, на
Want
вышло
it?
так
Here it
жорстко.
is. I rented my body on the black market.
Sarah, what was your motive?
Motive? Seriously?
I'm not judging. I just...
What is this, an interrogation? No, fuck you.
А яна сирота. У яе не было выбару. Так атрымліваецца. Гэта яна ўсё замуціла. Давай, пошли. Это моя творчесть. Што гэта за чужы? Есть што паглядзець яшчэ? Лялькі робіш?
What are these figurines?
They're memories. I've read that after an Icarite transplant, especially an illegal one, some can be lost. That one's the most valuable. One night, when the acid rain was bad, Taylor and I hid upstairs, where you came in. And back then, it was just a 2 by 3 foot hole that ended in a wall of rubble. And instead of sitting in the cold with her teeth chattering like any normal person, Taylor started fiddling with the flashlight. And then something flashed in the pile of rubble, so we started digging. And we dug until we unearthed this little Statue of Liberty figurine. It was beaten up, but looked valuable. And we fenced it right away. And we came back here hoping to find more.
It sounded like nobody was looking after you.
You're on your own fast in the slums, because you can either afford children, or you can afford new bodies. Not both. I was ahead of my family by the time I was 15.
How'd you do it?
We found out there used to be a museum here. So we dug more. Day after day, till our hands were bloody. We kept digging for normal people. It's a portrait of misery, desperation, but for Taylor, we were adventurers on a fucking treasure hunt. We glued, fixed, and sold everything we found. Would you believe we excavated this whole place like a pair of underage slum archaeologists?
Must have taken a while.
Almost 5 years, but it was our livelihood. We were dirt poor, surrounded by dirt. We felt rich. At least until Taylor tricked me. 8 years ago, give or take a few days.
Sister?
No. We were in love. I remember exactly when she tricked me, because it was when I turned 21. First subscription. And Taylor paid for it for me. She did it behind my fucking back. She only thought of others, never herself.
selfless to a fault. After a month, her subscription expired. We were broke. There was no one to help. She wound up in the bank. And the body went to auction. And that's why I have to get her out. No matter what it takes. You're the detective. Now you know my motive.
Oh, fuck. Damn it. Got any ambrosia anywhere? Anything higher octane?
I'll pour us something. Or you can also help yourself to ambrosia in the bedroom.
Это вот здесь на спальный покой. О, гэта ведаеце на што падобнае? На гэтая бляха. На базах, дзе будаваліся такія вось касмічныя карцеі.
Tests. Beginning of the month.
Космічны симулятор. Типа тебе закидываются на планету, где ты и отбудовываешь свою базу, разведываешь и все. Ну и так далее. Вельми подобный таки сектор. Ну все, з'їв таблетку. Легче стало. Тейлор Адамс. Скразный покой. Цацка.
Remember it. This is older than me.
Ника, книжка с комиксами. Давай, Макс, Данио, Питер. Не ведаю, хто гэта. Я ще не сустракаў. Мой запавет. Яна уже мае свой запавет. Нішто сабе. Ключи, это темно дыхать. Побегли назад, ці не? Так, это мы глядели.
James, aren't you afraid your memories will eventually fade away?
Lucky me. Mine don't fade.
Гэта факт.
They haunt me. Or
Расскажи про свою жонку.
You must have some good ones. At least one.
we're at the movies, and Rachel tries to convince me it's a crime flick she's already seen. They were all the same to her. And of course, she's teasing me, and I'm trying to watch the fucking movie. Right now, I'd give anything to be sitting there next to her. I'd focus all my attention on her.
Maybe then you wouldn't remember it. Maybe it's the imperfect moments that create the most precious memories.
Have you read Chicken of Justice?
There is no way you know this.
The last of his kind. He could give up, but he fights for a better world for the rest of us. A true hero.
Oh, I don't believe it. My brother Dario was crazy about him.
Мы уже нечто доведались про брата ейне.
Did Dario also write riddles? There was one on the back of the book.
Yes, the Chicken of Justice could only be summoned by solving one.
This one room, the bedroom, is totally secure.
It's a slum, but I gotta be able to close my eyes sometimes. It's possible to break in there with enough effort, but I'd have time to be awake and ready.
And shoot the shelf above the burglar.
I'd have time to reload and finish the piece of shit.
In the middle of the room was a bunch of files with names.
Can't you respect anyone else's privacy? I said none of the siblings knew. If something went wrong, I prepared myself for it.
But what's one have to do with the other?
I sorted things out for them and left a will that made it clear I believed Taylor and I would be in heaven at the bank.
Looks like you covered all the bases. Nice work.
Thanks. I try.
I hope this isn't a tough question. Sarah, how are Max, Dario, and Peter now?
I wasn't talking.
I saw the name on the cabinets. Did they...
Don't worry, they're all alive and doing pretty well. They rented a legal apartment, floor 40. They have better air than here. Bodies wear out slower.
What are we drinking to?
Well, you're the expert. Sit down and make a toast.
So how did a slum girl get this job?
Maybe you got yours. I had to work for it.
Points for determination. Must not have been easy for you.
Fortunate combo. I had insomnia and hated
Нарешті
wasting
віддали
my time. I guess
керування.
that's how I managed to pass all the exams.
Did our department come for Taylor?
Yes.
So why...
Did I join you? Maybe I wanted to take control? Of some sort. I decided I was never going to be powerless like that again. I'm just a liaison, but I already know when and where they move.
Do you know who it was? Which one of us came for Taylor?
It was hard to resist the temptation to check it out.
Wanna get some revenge?
He was so ordinary. A regular agent. To really get justice, I'd have to get revenge on this whole sick fucking system.
Then how about we get revenge on this whole sick fucking system?
Like that's possible.
What if it was?
Wait, what kind of bullshit is that? Are you accusing me of something?
Just curious.
Давай бухать. Да подойди уже. Не раскрутив я її.
Bottoms up to honesty. I think we're gonna need it.
Okay.
What are you renting the body for?
Surrogate. For some rich broad. A good one, I hope.
Sarah, please tell me it's not Jane Salma. I found her file.
Calm down. I checked her. I got to her. She had a similar case before, and they couldn't prove anything, even with plenty of evidence.
Damn it.
The arrangement came from me. She had the dough, I had the body with the right biological conditions, plus I could cover for her. That's why I know she's not a suspect.
Are you fucking nuts?
I'm risking everything for you, shithead. Do you understand that? The whole world doesn't revolve around you.
I don't think the whole world.
So trust me, like I trusted you.
All right. So you rented your body. Where did you get this one? The current model.
Salma said it was recycled. Give one to me.
No. A
Только что
recycled
высмотрел,
body?
ладно, хватит.
After what I've seen, that's hard to swallow. They must have put someone on ice for you to get it.
No. Somebody bought a new body, and no one wanted this one.
Okay, let's say you're right.
It's definitely recycled. Why would they lie about that?
You need to see the big picture of what you've gotten yourself into.
James, I have nightmares. Every single fucking night. I see her in them.
Welcome to the club.
Every morning, I wake up from them and Taylor can't. And it haunts me. What if she's trapped there in an endless nightmare?
They're your nightmares, not hers. You're projecting your fears where they don't exist, and you have to deal with them.
James, I have to save her. Fuck!
Псих.
You understand?
I get it. Sometimes you have to cross the line. And if you do it, at least make it for someone you love.
Well, I don't know if that's what I want.
Do you know what I'd give to see Rachel again? Fucking anything.
Thanks for being straight with me.
Press your finger.
I can handle it.
Все. Попили, покурили и пошли по своих справах. Давайте уже не
Bullshit
ухудшение.
tips are these? Issues with managing emotions.
Anger management, like a teenager, hair trigger temper.
Bullshit. Sarah, we need to start investigating.
Just a minute. Not so fast. One more question. A basic one.
Yeah,
Why don't you tell me why you stormed in here like a lunatic?
I told you. I thought you were in danger.
Based on what? Did something happen when we lost contact?
Mm-hmm. Can you fire up the board here?
No.
Do it the old way, then. In the meantime, I'll summarize the Red Room for you.
The Red Room?
It's a piece of fucked up history. Better buckle up.
I can't believe all this evidence. You were right from the start.
Захлопці, да?
What surprises you most?
That's not what I meant. But the murderer was behind everything from the beginning.
А
Did he
ёб твою
take over his
знаку.
body?
Strong assumption. We better go one step at a time.
Now? You're going to get skeptical now?
I just want to sort it out.
Okay. Where do we start?
His own transfer machine. I can't even get my shit together after 3.
This explains his problems. They were his own doing.
How do you deal with that kind of desynchro?
And how do you deal with it?
I don't know if I'm the best example.
James, I managed to get what was in Green's safe. There were recordings of his synchro tests and a ton of private notes. It's pretty unusual.
Upload.
Okay, let's assume that this was his motive. What's next?
Так, давайте читать в таким випадку, бляха. Холерная справа. Який елемент з нової пов'язує Грина з бойнею Ікари? Систему, диктофон, Урбарос, машину.
And how exactly does this connect with the shooting on Icarus?
By sheer willpower?
Так. Це знаходиться рой, і
But they didn't
далі.
die because of money.
Yeah, they had plenty of it. There had to be another reason.
Не підходить.
This happened at Green's place. But it's much bigger than that.
Possible. Any ideas?
Неводний.
No. Sorry. I don't buy it. If only the innocent could take such revenge.
The world would be a better place.
Так, есть ли у нас доказы того, что забойца захопил контроль над Грином? Нема.
Both died on dates shown on the symbols.
The problem
Урбарос,
is Green's
планы
date of death was
Грину.
carved long ago.
Чого доброго було незаконно для переносу самознання. Так, записи. Ні. А ніяк.
I
І
wish it
гэта
was
ніяк.
true.
Believe me, so do I. But there just isn't any evidence for it. These people were supposed to control Green?
Gee.
Seriously?
Maybe they were masterminds. You never know.
If any of them controlled him, they probably wouldn't get
Сюжет
killed.
з кшталту «Здогадайся, що я мав на увазі», блядь. Просто невиносная дурниця. Всяку богу, вже не піздять і нічого.
Act normal.
Could this be desynchro?
Захоп тіла, так. Потім на записях ён адзін, но ўсё роўна ствараецца ўражанне, нібы з кімсьці там спрачаецца, нават крычыць, што гэта ўсё азначае.
Maybe there is something that has a negative effect, like synchro tests only in reverse.
Вядома, Грыну было складана кіраваць сваімі паводзінамі, што яго давяло до такого
Maybe there is
стану.
something that has a negative effect, like
Здарова,
synchro
здорова,
tests
РВ.
only in reverse.
Вядома, ты працуеш, я памятаю. Як у цябе атрымліваецца ўжо? Нешта робіш, ці проста афармленне пакуль што? Ну тое. Мая справа нармас, адзінае толькі, бачыш. Ой, геймплей проста неверагодна. Гэта не то, телезоркі, дзіцячыя дамы. Афармленне нешта робіш, і тое, і іншае.
There may be no evidence that they made a transfer of consciousness at the time of the
Блядь,
incident,
яким
but
чынам гэта звязана, я не
here,
разумею.
No, it's damn suspicious. Let's just put it together piece by piece.
Так, гэта сюды, гэта сюды. Вось гэта сюды.
How did you describe it? That you're losing
Okay, so
control
cool.
of yourself? It's a kind of consciousness erosion. We'll increase the dose of ambrosia and the amount of synchro tests.
Так,
Should help.
ось
I need
нешта
something
такое.
better.
We don't have anything else yet. I'm working on it.
It's one big joke. Selma sounds familiar, don't you think?
Shit, I thought she was gonna get herself a synthesizer. Why didn't we have access to these recordings?
They were in the red room.
I'll try to get to them.
Так, далей. Які елемент замови зв'язує справу Грина з бойкою у бар Ікар? Сутність інтриги. Плани. Чаму ні? Калі яго планы па захаванню, то я збіраўся рабіць далей. Так, телезорки дзе, вось яны. Не тое. Зноўку не тое. І гэта не тое.
You're telling me these are the only people who can deal with the chaos in this city?
Am I? No. But I think that's what Green is trying to tell us.
Do you buy it?
Well, this motherfucker knew corruption and power like no one else. Okay, whether it was Green's will or someone else was pulling the strings, why did Green have to die?
I see at least three possibilities.
Can you be more specific, Miss Detective?
I'm throwing them in.
Навошта? О, боже, ну яшчэ три.
Following this lead, Green didn't have to be the only one like that. The whole thing may simply have been about tearing the city apart.
Так, чаму Грин павінен быў памерці? Зміна КРУ. Тріга повинна була спалити Рим, що для захопу влади. Ну так.
More than 300 years of
Не так.
accumulated power and plotting.
No one else could bear it.
Green was the last person
Ага,
who could stop
клас.
spreading chaos.
Просто супер.
I wonder if his death was a crime of passion, or if it was planned.
Так. Забойство Грина стало апошняй саломінай. Ну, чаму ён умер зараз, у саме распал замовы до самого концу. Не. Не. Не, знову не. А нічого, потиркаємося.
How much planning does it take to set up something like that?
I don't know, but we need to figure out who's pulling the strings in all of this.
Гэта найгоршае, што ёсць у гэтай гульні. Гэта проста тупізм нерэальны. Давай,
And you?
хадзі на
Why'd you
размову.
become a cop?
Я ў цябе не пытаўся.
Work well under pressure, resistant to stress, ability to assess situations quickly. Only the commander instead of a coach, and the field's a bit bigger.
And that's all?
I believed in justice, and shed like that.
But you don't anymore?
Come on, grow up. Who asks questions like that? Especially after all the shit we've seen.
Давай вынікі падведзем.
Let's try to draw some conclusions.
Honestly, I see two main possibilities. Or we're just seeing a small part of a bigger plan by someone who's always 2 steps ahead of us. Or Green's plan played out with Kovalev's help.
Mm-hmm. How do you figure?
Fuck, I don't know. He has access to some advanced tech. He managed to make contact with you in the Red Room. He knew everything that happened. Like he was in Green's head. I thought Green just committed suicide, but now I'm having a tough time buying that. Sorry, I've got a lot of thoughts. What do you think? Who's behind all this? Murderer or Green?
The more important the decision, the less certain, huh?
We're out of time for mistakes.
Да,
He's a
нехай
murderer.
будзе.
Green's death wouldn't make sense. He must have been influencing for a long time until he finally got him to shoot the other deviants. Damn influential deviants. He took another harvest on Icarus.
And if he's aiming to paralyze the city, to create chaos, so what's his next step?
The motherfucker leaves no trace. The trail's cold.
Why haven't we heard of him before? He's a pro, after all.
Criminals are still in their learning curve when they do their first crimes. They leave more traces behind.
I'll check similar poisoning cases in recent years.
No, poison may have been removed from reports. Check the final death.
Цікаво, її клавіатура. Зауважили, яна ніби гэта друкавальная машинка.
Oh, I think I have something. 2 weeks. No. Shit. I was wrong. Forget it.
Sarah, rewind.
Джеймс Кара,
No,
Сет
you can't
Хілз.
touch your own case, or reconstruct it, or explain it. You can't defend yourself.
Гэта наш напарнік, калі што.
Oh, the fucking savior of the world. Can't you let go just this once?
You know the answer.
Damn you. Hang on.
I have to... What's this?
A new earpiece. This one shouldn't be so easy to spot.
Ah, thanks.
Нарешті ми з ёй завершили. Якой халеры мы тут робім? Зноўку ідзем да Рэйчел, зноўку хмары наляцяць. Давай, давай, хутчэй.
Rachel?
А і Харит не пушчає цябе. Давай, давай, давай. Смагайся.
Rachel!
Як і ў мінулы раз тое самае, няўжо распрацоўшчыкі лічылі сцэнарыстаў з гэтай гульні лічыў, што гэта будзе спрацуе з другога разу, а не з першага. Вось тыпу з першага яно не так было дакладна зроблена, магчыма. Паўтора. Мы гуляем, калі што, 4-ю гадзіну, а ўжо паўторы ў гульні. Трэш, проста. Ой, каб яшчэ быў нейкі сэнс вось у гэтым Харыце, які нас акутвае тут.
Wait for me. We'll get it sorted together.
Seth?
Who else, genius? The voice of your conscience?
You're not really here. You're just a cocktail of desynchro and memories with a garnish of trauma.
Dude, you really don't get it. Don't do anything or you'll do something stupid. I just entered the initials and Hestia asked, am I satisfied with my work? They're calling from the top about it. This will end worse than usual.
I'll lean on him and get something. I'll find out what happened.
Fine. But what if you don't?
I will. Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
I can't
Усё
cover your ass.
або нічога. Ой. Табе 5 год ці колькі. Ой, боже. Все, падзейнічалі нарэшце. Як жа гэта сумна ўсё выглядае, прабачце, калі ласка. Так.
Truth is said to heal. The problem with
Яшчэ
the
нічога не
state is
прыбралі за
there are
2
only two
тыдні.
kinds of medicine that work. Those with an awful taste and narcotics.
Калі што, гэты поезд разбіўся 2 тыдні таму. Ну, гледачы на сюжэт, магчыма, трохі больш. І яшчэ нічога не працуе. О, не
James,
прыбралі.
Are you there?
Good to hear you.
I'll be on the line, but remember, in this place, desynchro
О,
can be
Рэйчел,
deadly.
ти тут?
Got any symptoms yet?
Thanks. Never felt better. Damn it.
I can't see anything. Do you think there are any traces left after all this time?
I was here. How am I not one big lead?
Давай, давай. Конечно, засталіся.
Most of the blood evaporated in the fire. Maybe the UV will detect something.
Давай, давай, хлопче. Там яшчэ адзін. А яго так кідала, ці гэта ён поўзаў тут?
Shoe print.
Is it
I was ankle deep in blood. This is my...
James?
I don't have enough information to reconstruct.
Яшчэ одно цела, там нехта быў.
Rachel had a similar one.
Што гэта?
She recorded lectures with it.
А, гэта рэкордер нейкі. Не сюда.
Watching the neon lights of the fading city. Oh no. Fuck! No, please! I'm begging you!
Страляніна? То бок гэта не проста катастрофа, гэта страляніна была.
No ticket jokes, conductor? Anything?
That motherfucker had to shoot everyone. So many bodies lost.
What?
Why can't I remember anything?
Can't I remember anything. Гучыць ніби Слово з нейкай песні.
Nowhere to run or hide. Some bodies were permanently damaged.
То бок тут была целая серия забойства, што яны не могуць аднавіцца больш.
There's something here. I have to check it out.
Чакай. Піша, што 3. Ты толькі 2 зрабіў. О, боже мой. Ну і куди тут наводиться, ну? Ой-ой-ой-ой.
The frame looks shot through. I'll check it.
Що за рама?
It's familiar.
2 червоних, остатні зелені. А кольки їх усього 6?
It fits my gun. Did I? No. I need to look for more evidence.
I don't know if reconstructing is a good idea.
Refusal of body credit. This guy just hit the memory bank from here.
Probably like most of the victims.
There was a major firefight here before the derailment. I'll check where the shooter was.
Давай.
Who shot them?
I remember this. It was chasing a guy. A dealer. Motherfucker was on. Looks like he was standing around here somewhere. I already have a lot of data. I'm going to reconstruct.
James, think again. The reconstructor will try to use your memories because you were there.
It'll be fine, Sarah.
No, you won't. Wait. James, wait for me. I'll be back in a moment. I have something. I'll explain later.
Ну, конечно. Так, будем шукать. А что там у його в ногах?
It was almost midnight and there were still some children on the train. Maybe some parent forgot a birthday and rushed to the store. I hope.
Добре, починаємо реконструкцію. О, гэта я, калі што, ў мінулым жыцці.
Hell? What's going on?
Дай пастраляць.
We'll get through this difficult moment together. Can't remember. I'll tell you what happened.
I was chasing a dealer who was running away in the crowd.
You shot up those people.
Што?
You're manipulating me.
Pathetic.
I couldn't kill those passengers. It wasn't me. He overwrites my memories. What does he know about the train? From a synchro test? Is this how he brings out memories? Get out of my head!
Да.
Are you alive? Is that bleeding blood?
Killer uses your memories against you. Like a parasite. Squeezes into gaps left by the desyncs and modifies them. I don't know. He hacked synchro tests and finds out everything? He does it somehow.
Run away from there. Come home and we'll talk about it. Don't reconstruct any further, understand? I can't be with you now.
What?
I'll explain later. My body is in trouble.
Okay? Over and out.
Why do people keep leaving you?
I need to get to the next car.
Пошли в другий вагон. Гитара.
You don't get consumed by frustration.
Говорить больше. А что тут скажешь? Калі яны сам на сам размаўляюць, я ж нічога не добавлю. Дзе тут было нешта?
What's going on? Ah!
Did you know that in the last synchro test I talked about us? I understood that you would never accept my decisions. Life ends. Even memories fade away. Nothing else will happen. We tried. I know. We were stupid. That would be wrong. We would be bad people. We really are. Because we're still alive.
She would never. It's my own fears.
Гэта вельмі лагічна зараз было. Абгрунтавана, галоўнае, разумееце? Абажаю такія вось наратывы, калі табе іх проста даюць, а ты з імі рабіш што хочаш, але вынік за цябе ўжо зроблены.
Reconstructing this is gonna be Sisyphus work. The difference is Sisyphus tried to cheat death and to immerse himself in it.
А ты чаго, Анюта, сядзіш тут на струмы? У цябе няма працы, ты ўжо зрабіла справаздачу сваю здала.
Rachel had one. She went until it broke into pieces.
Шукаем нешта, шукаем, ходзім.
Happened here.
Як што? Ты ж ведаеш, што тут здарылася.
Didn't even have time to
Кожны
yell.
раз будзеш пытацца?
A mortal wound. Why can't I remember anything? It's starting to look like a graveyard on wheels. I'm moving to reconstruction. Shot dealer on the run. I have to have a clean shot.
You didn't fucking care at all.
That's a joke. I will not kill. I didn't kill anyone.
You feel the truth. You can smell it under your skin. Can you feel it rotting?
Why can't I remember it?
You do remember.
Okay. Let's assume that's true. I shot everyone like a madman. What's next?
Have a look.
Ну, давай поглядим. Реконструюем далей.
Punish someone.
Is this some kind of test?
If it is, you think you passed. You left them in Green's basement. Judge and executioner in one.
You're judging me? How many have you killed? You can do it. You know what's real.
Interesting.
Со шкла сиди.
Remember what you felt. You remember the taste of blood from biting your lips.
I was in a frenzy. I wanted to get him. It hit him. That was all that mattered.
Да. На всякий випадок скажу, що коли вам так хірово кермую уже третій раз, четвертий ён ванітує кров'ю, то ви труп. Без всяких яких. Куди веде кровавий слід? Який слід? О, F-лампа. Давай. Тут ніякого сліду нема. А тут так само.
They lead to the third car.
Ну то пошли туди. І он повинен уже померти быў, а тут ён поўзае нешта, даследуе. Я так.
Ready?
Why do you have to be so you got hit hard? Why didn't he give up?
Set heals. Идем по слідах ніби собаки. Не цікаво, гэты номер, ну што ён мне?
Standing here somewhere.
Але ж він ёсць у
Try to
гульні.
reconstruct.
Зноўку. Давай. Ну што, мы з ім сам насам. І?
Why did you take her from me? I don't know what's going on. Do you know who I work for? Names! Now! Lunatic! We'll work this out with the boss. I'll shoot down this car and we'll all die. Go ahead. You're telling me one way or another. Who told you to sell Rachel the poison? What? Who? Who is he? He doesn't know anything. A counter-terrorist team's on the way. He's aiming at the car! Get the fuck out of here! Are you crazy? I'll shoot him down! Why did you do that to Rachel? Jump! I want names! This was the last good day of your life. I'm
No. No!
I'm not going in there with you. Our luck's run out.
No! I don't want to go in there!
Why not?
Why are you doing this?
You're dragging yourself to the grave.
What the fuck?
You don't understand. All of this has power over you. Relax and accept the truth.
I'm tired of you being sorry. The world is tired to see you too.
О, Боже.
Why do you cling so hard to this pathetic life? It makes no sense. Give it up.
Give it up. Give it up. Give it up.
Stop. Are you fucking crazy? Want to play with a knife? Do you?
We are cruel. And you're a sadist when you look at me like I can take away your pain.
Do you always have to make it difficult? Something good is finally coming to you.
Воткни нож у подлогу.
Why did you do this to her? Why did you turn her against me?
Is that what you want to hear? My confession?
You motherfucker!
It's the only escape
Нарешті.
nightmare you are stuck in.
Лера, як довго треба клікати, а?
I saw in your eyes that you stopped believing in me. I let you down. For a moment, I even felt like I cared.
Help me! I don't have the strength anymore.
I'm sorry.
Please, step inside. Tired already. You lost a long time ago, James. Walking calls. I can feel your mind getting weaker by the minute.
You motherfucker!
You gave up a long, long time ago when you had everything. It wasn't your blood that destroyed you. Stop hitting.
James! James! I've been talking to you for 10 minutes!
Виспався?
Give me a sign of life. Get in touch immediately. James! Hello? James, I need your help. Selma is, my body's in the middle of a riot and it's in danger.
James? Are you okay?
But I'll regret this in the morning.
На-на.
I had a bad feeling about all this. A revolution is like an amputation. When it comes too late, it's sure to bring blood and pain, and as likely as not, little else.
Гэта ўсё сумна насамрэч. І гэта ўсё занадта сумна.
James, where are you going?
З кожнай хвілінай гэта гульня становіцца ўсё горш і горш.
I'm already flying over.
Close all airs. I repeat, close the airspace over the park. Regroup on 57 and stop them from getting south. I will be there soon.
It's not an easy day to be a police chief.
It's not easy for anyone.
Центральний парк.
Not have picked a
Пошукати
better
деталі
habitat
ніякі
for himself
зновку.
if he tried. A forest of fake trees that last forever without actually being alive.
Чому гэта центральний парк ніколи не
All I
був
know
живий?
is the
Що за
mob ripped through the
фауна?
police cordon and attacked the rich folks at Green's celebration.
Баба. Калі б гэта быў экшн гульня, то гэта магло б азначаць, што нешта пачнецца зараз. Але не,
James?
заранее ўжо вядома, што нічога не будзе дзеецца. Зноўку нейкая ачомленасць. Зноўку are you here? Are you there? Where are you?
Copy.
Што за халяра дзеецца? Што ў галаве дзеецца ў сцэнарыста? А, да што ты кажаш? Жывы!
James, are you okay?
Давайте неяк хутчэй рухаць гэтую гісторыю ўжо да самага канца. Бо мне абрыдла, шчыра кажу.
Car crashed near me.
Did you literally run into one of our friends in blue?
There he is! Quick!
Вунь ён! Нехта ідзе. Хто ідзе?
Don't breathe!
Яшчэ дыша.
Fucker's hiding! Get him!
One sec.
This guy doesn't have much time.
Ты пойдзеш ужо ці не? Доўга я тут буду.
Don't do anything. I can't risk it right now.
And rip out a Nicorite! Leave me alone! I'm police! Fuck! Another cop? I'll finish him off so he doesn't get away! No! Wait! Let's get second. Look out!
Целиться не дают, коли что. Я просто позираю по бокам. Рухаться не дают. Як гэта бесіць, вы себе нават не уяўляеце. Трах, бах, бах, бах.
They make it in time?
More or less. At least they didn't rip his
Нарешті.
Nicorite open.
Нарэшце гэты смоўжык вырашыў
Another
вылезці са
Reliant.
сваёй
Now she's
скарлупкі.
heading back. Head south and you'll run into her.
How fast is she moving?
Все можна ісці.
Fast and
Куди?
steady. I don't think she's hurt. We don't know if someone's after her.
Толькі не кажыце, калі ласка, што мы тут будзем зараз нешта даследаваць, шукаць нейкія доказы, улікі ці нешта падобнае. Дзякуй Богу, няма. Давай, 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 што ты там упёрся ўжо? Проста ідзе. Нам сюды, я спадзяюся.
Shit, they took your plate. An APB for a police car was sent out automatically.
Great.
Што гэта такое?
Great day for scrap dealers. Not for anyone else.
Вельмі важная заўвага.
Road's closed. Gotta go around it. I see some kind of statue.
How big?
Pretty fucking big.
Great. Probably the Morai statue from Green's exhibit, where his farewell happened. Head towards it.
I'm trying.
Давай, скачи. Брук пакладзены вельмі кепска. Я ад прарабу за гэта руки адарваў бы.
Please hurry.
Давай, давай, спешайся трошку. Сара переживае за тебе, хвалюецца. А ты тут
Something was
займайся.
bugging me. Whose idea was it to say goodbye to Green here?
I don't know. Probably the city. It was the last exhibition he sponsored. Why does it matter?
I'm wondering if this could have been planned.
You think what's happened here is also part of the murder?
Олень.
You're right. It's not likely. Pure chaos.
On the other hand, wasn't that exactly what the murderer wanted?
If someone could plan it all.
Maybe we can't see the big picture.
A shiver ran down my spine.
Давай, 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 худший, перемещайся.
I can see the place where the ceremony was.
Great. Head over there.
Тут завал. Калі ўжо робіце калідоры, рабіце іх трошкі карацей, а?
That explains a lot.
Morai were the goddesses of fate. All I know is that they watched over the life thread of mortals and gods.
How nice. I have to take a roundabout route to them. How's Salma?
Slowing down. She seems to be running out of strength.
Кат-сцена.
Kara? I couldn't believe when the system spat out your name, and you just happened to be in the middle of this shitstorm. Listen, I need your help. James Salma's in danger.
What are you doing? Don't get him involved.
The famous psychologist, James Salma? What the fuck have you got to do with her?
Wait a minute. She was taking care of Green, right?
I need to get her out of here. You've been screwing with the case this whole time? After I told you to drop it? Of fucking course you couldn't. You are under arrest.
За что?
Damn you. I don't have time for this anyway.
Ой, бляха.
Watch out! Car!
Что, неужо просто застрелил? Ба-ба. Что, держал на перевороте, что гэта? А ось цікавий, натрапило мяне ці не? Па логіцы гульні не. Ой, зноўку яна его візгаціць нешта. Ой, бля, да не, ну как... Зараз мы будем тут узнаўляць, усе рэканструяваць тое, што тут адбылося. Так. Калі нужна моя дапамога, я тут. Я іду. Давай, худзенька. Ты яшчэ жывы, а яна, магчыма, у небяспецы. Дзяўчына, нам трохі хрэнова, бачыш, не? Што ты ад мяне патрабуеш? Добра, што яна яшчэ жывая ўвогуле.
That doesn't necessarily mean anything.
You see her? She should be out there somewhere. Oh my God, please help me. Find her. She must be somewhere straight ahead. Can you see her? Is she okay?
I don't know yet, but I'll find her.
Так, давай, збирайся уже. Иди, Сальма.
Don't shoot! I was sent by...
Too late! She belongs to me!
go! Salma knew the darkest secrets of this world, and she didn't raise a
Як тяжко змагатися з Богом. Ён може усе, ми не можемо нічого. А?
How the fuck do you take over these bodies? What's everyone got in common? From the lowest levels to the highest? Give up? Test. Test. Test.
Synco text.
What do you want from me? From you? Not a thing.
А ось воно що. Нарешті наша мотивація на них проявляється тільки зараз. Тому що він ухваляє нашу упартость.
More.
Боже мій. Бам.
You see the fall of this world so clearly. Why defend it? I just want to take out the fucker who thinks he's saving the world, day in and day out.
Day in, day out. О, перший раз таке чую.
Over the years, I've watched people look away, go blind. But thanks to Salma, all have access to the minds of millions, and I'll get anyone who props up this rotten world. I'm gonna make sure the fire of justice burns it clean.
Давай, давай, хоче вже. Боже, як я немедленно розговариваю поміж собою.
People will you sentence to death
Что за
or to
гутерка
the
такая
bank.
дикая?
The end justifies the means.
Давай.
Can you hear me? You can't
Не
get
хапаю
control.
трошки абсурду, тому трошки принесемо його сюди.
Can't hear you anymore. I don't influence her like you, Green and Kovalev. We've become one. You have give up.
Та-да-дам, та-да-дам.
Last question. Did you poison my wife? She lost the will to live long.
О, ось воно що. Нехта захопив контроль, і ось зараз таким займається.
You free fucker.
Нарешті, є ще є особистий мотив.
Third time lucky.
Third time lucky. Давай, що таке? А, він захопив знову контроль.
You wouldn't be able to pull the trigger anyway.
Боремося, давай, змагаємося.
Life smoldering in it.
Я ще раз.
Blind fears.
І давай, я ще третій раз. Ну, конечно. У цей раз тяжей.
It's time to end this, James.
І я ще четвертий раз. Блять. Серйозно, ну. Тут треба була грати миш, видається, з такою подвойною кнопкою, яка завжди трикає
For you to understand
на
all
скриптах,
this.
на макросах.
You've been living a stolen life.
У, як тяжко. Давай, 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 давай. Блять, у меня не хапаю уже бы. Я сподіваюся тільки, що це, як його, скрипт. Бо я не ведаю, як тут ще так худенько натискати.
You should be thanking me.
Стреляю в спину уже, заябився ти. Ось тут легко. Давай, давай, давай. О, нарешті. Це, правда, минуло 4... Не, минуло 3 рази, ми були просто скритовані. Оу. Рука болить. Кара, у тебя 3 кули.
I'm hit. Help me.
Help me.
Is my body okay?
Конечно. Усё, што я зараз бянтэжыць ці схвалюе гэтае ёйнае цела? О, мы зноўку на пляжы. Давай, яшчэ раз. Гэта ўжо трэцяя спроба. Давай, хутчэй, ну... Кара, давай, плыві, я не ведаю, што тут будзеш яшчэ рабіць. Рукі звязаны, але ж са звязанымі рукамі таксама можна плыць, ты не ведаеш як. Давай. Ой, я спадзяюсь, толькі распрацоўшчыкі мяне не будуць заставляць зноўку націскаць левую кнопку мышы. Мы неяк з гэтым уже парадзім сабе. Ой, давай. А ты ўпэўнены, што гэта Рэйчел? Яна проста падобная на яе там. Давай, цягніся. Чорт. Не хапіл трошки. Чаму так цёмна? Бо загрузка проста была. Гэта што? Дзе мы апынуліся зараз? Бачу, і харыт нейкі матляецца. Гэта ткачаская фабрыка. І харыту, не? Памятаеце, гэта у міфалогіі ёсць такія ткачыхі лёсу. Уся гульня цёмная? Так. Гэта звычайная справа, калі ты не ўмееш у графіку. Зрабі гульню цёмнай, і ў такім выпадку табе не трэба будзе замарочвацца. Усё будзе выглядаць больш-менш натуральна. І чё? І што далей? Кара Джеймс. Нейкі Томас яшчэ там. Андерсон. Я так разумею, наш розум трапіў у банк. А чаму менавіта так іх захоўваюць? Типа, каб іх паветра авівала, каб яны не высохлі? Ці наадварот, каб высохлі? Плесень не пайшла, ніякая там цвіль. Грыбы не выраслі на гэтых памяцях і ўспамінах. Запампоўка галасавой пошты. А, гэта ўсё. Ды няўжо ж.
I dragged my feet calling for a long time. I knew you wouldn't pick up,
Типу,
but it still wasn't
типу
easy.
распрацоўшчыкі спадзяюцца, напэўна, што пасля вось гэтага чалавек, які будзе гуляць, ён будзе раздумваць, так? Раздумваць, размяркоўваць, меркаваць аб сваім лёсе. І як ягонае жыццё сёння адрозніваецца ад гэтага цёмнага будучага. Дзякуй Богу, яно кончылася. Ты, Анюта, акурат паспела на самы разбор. Разбор лайна. Яшчэ адно ялайно для шкаляроў. Нават для такіх, ведаеш, да 9 класа. Зусім дурныя.
Just like you'd fight for Rachel. Take care, partner.
Take care, partner. One missed call. Усё, гэтае дасягненне. А што я магу вам сказаць? А дакладней аднаму чалавеку, які глядзіць за мною зараз. Гэта тое, што гульня гаўно. Просто, бляха. А я бачыў, чаму гаўно, таму што палякі рабілі. Бачыце, Мацей, Сашанскі, Шымон, Шарак і гэтак далей. Яны не могуць у гісторыю нармалёвую. Гэта факт. Яны нават ведзьмара, яны слізалі у вядомага пісьменніка. Вы разумееце? Вось таму атрымалася добрая гісторыя. А тут атрымалася нейкая херня. Ненавіжу гульні, калі табе не даюць выбару, каб ты сам нешта рабіў, а водзяць цябе па калідорах. І ты тыпу павінен здагадацца толькі па некаторых варыянтах адповеду, што вось гэта будзе менавіта тое, што ты лічыш. А па факце я 2 разы ў гэтай гульні напараўся на тое, што выбіраў адказ, а эмацыйна ён падаваўся зусім іншым спосабам. Таксама так лічу. Бачыце, вось нават Аня згодная са мною. Не дзіўная гульня, яна сапраўды гаўно. Тут ні сюжэту нармалёвага няма, ні пагружэння, ніякага спачування гэтаму алкаголіку, які яшчэ і паліць і ўсім незадаволены. Чамусьці ён прымае лекі, якія заўсёды забывае, я гэта, мажліва, я не разумею ўвогуле. Ад гэтага змяняецца сюжэт, ад гэтага пакутуе нават ягоная сяброўка Сара гэтая і гэтак далей, гэтак далей. Увогуле, я кажу, тут узровень свядомасці вось у гэтай гульні, вось у гэтага персанажа, ён на ўзроўні там, гадоў 12 чалавека. Разумееш, калі ты нешта там сабе ў сваёй галаве уяўляеш ужо, але выбар свой зрабіць ты не можаш, таму што вось ёсць у цябе бацькі, якія яго робяць за цябе, а ты толькі яго спрымаеш як належнае, найчасцей, але ўсё ж такі маеш права голасу. Вось тут тое самае гаўно, і іншым па-другому не магу назваць. Карацей, я буду завершваць, калі што. Калі Аня хоча за мною далей размаўляць, калі ласка, звані на тэлефон. Вось, а для ўсіх астатніх, калі вы даглядзелі да гэтага моманту, дзякую вам вялікі за цярплівасць, не ведаю, што вы гэта зрабілі. Сапраўды, я вам спачуваю, бо гэта для мяне, прабачце, гэта было, сапраўды 7 гадзінаў. Так, 7 гадзінаў. 2 палова. Добра, 6 з паловай гадзінаў. Усё ж такі непрыемнага геймплею. Вось. І недзе там вось сёння пасярэдзіне стрыму я ўжо чакайце, вылетела з галавы. Пажалеў, я ўжо пажалеў, што страціў на гэтую гульню грошы. Фу, проста пайду напішу гэты фідбэк на Steam. Хай людзі не купляюць, бо гэта яно не вартае гэтага. Гэта факт. Як заўсёды, сёння чацвер мы скончваем. Водгук. Дзякую, Аня, дзякую. Фідбэк, водгук. Добра. На бягучы момант мы скончваем. Дзякую за вашыя падабайкі, падпіскі і гэтак далей. Падтрымлівайце вольных беларусаў, падтрымлівайце Украіну, а мы на гэтым канчаем. Да пабачэння. Заўтра ў нас танкі.